You've seen the ads, dramatic before and after photos, breakage suddenly gone, and people claiming their hair grew back in just weeks. Woodoo Hair Repair has quickly become one of the most talked about restorative hair products online. But is it truly a breakthrough treatment for damaged, thinning hair, or just another overhyped formula with clever branding? Today we're taking a close look at Woodoo Hair Repair to see whether it actually delivers results, or if it's a product that sounds better than it performs. I tested Woodoo Hair Repair over a 5-week period on areas with breakage, dryness around the ends, and mild thinning around the temples. I evaluated changes in moisture, elasticity, scalp comfort, and visible hair density. To deepen the review, I compared its formula to established repairing treatments like keratin masks and peptide serums. I also analyzed hundreds of user reviews from social media and beauty forums to understand how real customers experience the product. With a mix of hands-on testing and community feedback, here's what you need to know. 3. Claim breakdown. Woodoo Hair Repair promises visible repair of damaged strands, reduced breakage and split ends, stronger, thicker-feeling hair, faster hair growth. A formula based on natural plant extracts and strengthening compounds. The brand markets itself as a revival system capable of restoring hair from the inside out. But how much of this is backed by evidence and how much is just marketing language? Let's break the claims one by one. Step 1. Formula and ingredients. Woodoo Hair Repair includes ingredients like argan oil, keratin amino acids, castor oil, and botanical extracts. These are well-known hydrators and strengthen the outer layer of the hair shaft. However, there's nothing in the formula that is clinically proven to regrow new hair follicles. It's strong for moisture and repair, not a medical growth treatment. Step 2. Moisture and damage repair performance. After 2 weeks of use, hair felt noticeably softer and smoother. Dry ends became more flexible and brushing caused less breakage. Many users report similar improvements, especially those with chemically treated or heat-damaged hair. The formula coats and fills weak areas, making hair appear healthier, but this is surface repair, not full structural reconstruction. Step 3. Hair growth and thickness. This is where expectations must be realistic. Woodoo Hair Repair did not regrow lost hair. What it did do was make existing strands stronger and thicker looking due to reduced breakage. Some users interpret this as growth, but it's simply better retention of the hair you already have. True regrowth requires treatments that affect the follicle, which this product does not claim in scientific terms. Step 4. Scalp health. The product is gentle, non-irritating, and adds a light protective barrier. Those with sensitive scalps may appreciate its soothing properties. A healthier scalp can indirectly support better hair cycles, but again, this doesn't translate into dramatic regrowth. Step 5. User feedback. Positive reviews highlight shinier, smoother hair and fewer broken strands. Many customers note improved manageability and stronger appearance within 2 to 4 weeks. Negative reviews typically say, good conditioner, but no real growth. Did not match the dramatic results shown in ads. Smells great, works well, but not a miracle. Step 6. Price and value. Woodoo Hair Repair is more expensive than basic conditioners, but cheaper than salon-grade masks. For the level of hydration and repair it provides, the price is fair, but not for those expecting medical-level regrowth effects. So, does Woodoo Hair Repair really give your hair back? It gives your hair health back, not your hair follicles. Choose Woodoo Hair Repair if you want. Softer, smoother hair, less breakage, healthier looking ends, enhance shine and strength. But it will not regrow bald spots, reverse years of follicle loss, deliver miracle transformations. It's a strong repairing treatment, not a hair growth cure. If this review helped you decide whether Woodoo Hair Repair is worth trying, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits for more honest product breakdowns every week.